It's fall, y'all, so let's make chicken Alfredo tortellini in the crock pot. Let's get into it.
This is everything you're going to need to make this recipe. With only 10 minutes of required prep time, you can make this delicious meal for the entire family and they're gonna love it. We're gonna start off by adding 2 chicken breasts directly into the crock pot. Then we're gonna add a half a teaspoon of garlic powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Next up comes the fun part where we're gonna add 2 15-ounce jars of Rayo's Alfredo sauce. Next, you're gonna put the lid on the crock pot, cover it, and cook it on high for 5 hours. After about 5 hours, the chicken's gonna be taken out and it will be nice and tender. You're gonna take 2 forks and shred the chicken into small pieces just like this. This is what it should look like once you are done. Add your shredded chicken back to the crock pot, and to that we're gonna add 1 cup of low sodium chicken broth. Next, we're going to add 1 19-ounce bag of frozen cheese tortellini. Next, you want to give it a stir and then put the lid back on the crock pot and cook it on high for an additional 30 minutes. Once it's done, look how amazing this looks. 1 pot meal for the entire family.
So let's serve up some of this chicken Alfredo tortellini, which is a great meal with only a few ingredients. It's set it, walk away, come home, and dinner is ready. Let's serve it up. Wow, this looks amazing. Straight out of the crock pot, easy to make, and great for a family meal. Hey, this is my chicken Alfredo tortellini. As you can see, it's nice and creamy. It almost looks like chicken and dumplings. It is the perfect meal for fall or as we head into winter when it gets a little cold. This is amazing. What we're gonna do is add a little bit of Parmesan cheese and also a little bit of parsley for garnish. So let's taste it. Let's check it out. Remember, you get the first bite and I get the second one. Delicious. Loads of flavor. It is outstanding. So try this recipe. Make sure you give it a like, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you've not done so, and click on that bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching Gigi Cooks Healthy Meals. And make this recipe and leave some comments below.
Hey, call the family to the table. Dinner is ready. Just another amazing recipe by Gigi Cooks Healthy Meals. Make sure you share this with your friends.